welcome. In this video, we will be talking about handling events in MobileView. This is a follow-up to a previous video we posted called MobileView Enterprise Visibility Software, API Explainer, and Demo iOS App Example. I'll include a link below in case you haven't checked it out. In case you aren't familiar, MobileView is an on-premise, enterprise-ready software solution that enables you to track, locate, monitor, and manage your assets and personnel from a single platform. In the previous video, I talked about using MobileView's suite of APIs to create a mobile app. We had a hypothetical engineer out in the field who needed to access real-time information about assets or personnel, and using a laptop was not ideal. In this video, we will show MobileView's real-time events in action so our field engineer can get notified the instant things occur. Let's talk about MobileView events. Events are useful for notifying a third-party application immediately when something happens. An event is generated, for example, when an asset moves to a new area or passes through a specific doorway. Immediately upon recognizing this movement, an event is fired and our application can choose how to handle it. Inside the payload of an event is useful data such as the time of the event, the name of the asset involved, and the location of the asset. Our application can then use this data to trigger an action. There are 6 types of events in MobileView: HTTP post, an XML web service, which simply calls a particular method on the third-party server, JMS, updated asset property, updated zone property, and email. For this video, we will be focusing on the HTTP post action type. HTTP post action type simply does what it sounds like. It sends a RESTful HTTP request with parameters to an address that you enter into the MobileView portal when configuring the event. To show MobileView in action, we deployed a MobileView instance in our Mark III office, complete with zones, regions, and assets and personnel. We've asked a handful of employees to carry around beacons so that we can collect data and trigger events. In addition, we created a unique web service to handle these post requests. What the web service simply does is send an SMS message to designated people when the event is fired, along with information about that event. In conjunction, it will also send a push notification to users who have installed our MobileView Demo iOS app. As you can see here, we've created a few events with different action types. The one that we are interested in this video is when somebody enters our office. So we look at the entrance, and this is our office entry event. So if we drill down into this event and look at the action type, we designate HTTP post. And then this is the address of our API that will handle the request. We can also add some additional parameters to the event payload, and when this is triggered, all information, including our standard event details, will be sent over to our web service to be handled. If you look at the videos playing below, you can see our entrance event in action. I have asked one of our employees to walk through our entrance, triggering the event and thus our HTTP post request. In one video, you can see the text message received, and the second one shows an Apple push notification to our MobileView Demo app. That is a demonstration on how to use MobileView events to communicate with the web service to push real-time events to a mobile device. If you are interested in some more technical details on how I implemented either the mobile app or the web service, feel free to reach out to me or to Mark III Systems. Thank you.